Are you looking to improve your coordination, your tech skills, and create some beautiful meditation music just like Einaudi? Well, let's jump right in. Hi there, I'm Kylie and I love to share easy tips and tricks to inspire you to learn the love of music here on piano. I make videos every Thursday, and if you enjoy the content, then please subscribe, and a thumbs up is the best compliment that you can give. So one little trick to Einaudi's music is that he often doesn't arrive at a destination or at a main key. So today we're also going to elude the main key of C, but we're going to play chords that match into those harmonies. So let's start on a sixth chord here of A minor. So we'll have a C and an E up here, and then just A held notes in the left hand. Let's rock backwards and forwards on this C and E here. And let's count to 7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's change the bass now, dropping it down to the fourth harmonies of F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then onto the fifth harmonies of G in the bass. Right hand's going to step down from the C and E to the B and D there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Move your left hand bass down to our third harmonies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's have a run through of that. C and E and A's down here. Ready, go. So double check with your technique that you're just dropping here and relaxing on the A's. If your hand is too small and you feel like you're really having to stretch, then you can just play the bass note following that pattern down there. Okay, now with the right hand, let's have little rocking here, little rotation like our Queen's wave here with our C, E, rocking backwards and forwards. So a little bit over your pinky, a little bit over your thumb there. Make sure your thumb is stepping up onto the corner there so that it's a nice high thumb, not laying down flat here. And then the other change, slight rotation, standing onto your pinky and also onto your thumb there. Okay, let's move on then and make it a step up into blocking the chords. So let's now do a bit more sort of a bouncing move there with your right hand, so that we're thinking of falling and let your hand sort of bounce out again. So 1, 2, 3 and skip down. So we're going to go down that third from C, pinky to A. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3 to the C again with your left hand changing. Now step everything up to our B, D and G's down there. 1, 2, 3, skip down and then E bass. Let's have a run. Our next step up, let's have a little silence. So let's have our left hand feature, right hand then come in. So left hand, right, right, skip down. Let's do that again. Right, right, skip, change left, right, right, skip. So once again, our right hand is doing exactly the same thing twice while we change our left hand bass note under the little upper pattern. One more time, left, right, right, skip down, left, right, right, skip down, both hands step up, left, right, right, skip down and bass note. Let's have a run through. And once again, in true Einaudi fashion, we're then going to have a little go here with now changing the feel of the piece. So instead of T, 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 wait, T, 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 wait, sort of that pulsing like that to our 4. We're now going to introduce a triplet figure. So triplet, 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 triplet. So 3 lots. So hang on, 4 lots of 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could stop on that one. I might fill it in though, because then we can have a little play with some shaping as well. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then change down to our B, D, and G's. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. All again. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. In, 2, 3, 4. And the really cool thing about that is because we're going 1-ender, 2-ender, our emphasis is actually changing on the first beat we're leaning on the C, the second beat we're leaning on the E, and so on. So even if you don't accent it, it's still kind of giving that feel where we're pulled between the two notes. So he has this wonderful way of creating all these tensions through some beautiful sounds. Although these are my ideas today, these are kind of the features that Einaudi weaves through his music. Let's add one more level as well with the left hand bass. So let's just break it up and let our hand pivot around our middle finger. So to the E, A, then we'll go to the F, C, F, then G, then down to the E. So we're still doing the same outline of just the A bass note, but we're adding the extra pivot that will give it a little bit more interest here and help it sort of flow on as well. Now for the coordination, we need to think 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So every 3 in the right hand, my left hand is going to change notes there. So both right, right, both right, right, change, both right, right, change, right, right. And then change to your F down the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, both right, right, both right, right. Everything steps in, both right, right, both right, right, both right, right, both right, right. Now to the E. Let's have a run of that one now, and we might weave back to some of the others too, to just explore what combinations we can make there with those simple ideas today. Well, thanks for joining me. Let's keep exploring together. If you'd like to also join my channel, then that feature is available. And check out this playlist here if you'd like to look at some more improv ideas right now. Thanks for watching.